I think it's going to be a great deal for us and our investors. It's actually going to be, interestingly enough, the first deal that we run ads on. So that's a cool new step in Lone Star's journey. A lot of groups run ads and it seems to work for them. So I imagine it'll work for us. And hopefully, the way I look at it is it's a long-term investment in the firm and a long-term investment in ourselves. And what I mean by that is it may be expensive up front to get the word out and to attract the investors that we want to attract. But I think that on the long-term basis is really important, that we actually end up with long-term investors that really want to work with us rather than just kind of, we call it the hot money or the here today, gone tomorrow money and whatnot. So I think it's definitely worthwhile to spend the money to kind of filter through and find those good connections, those long-term investors. Like you and I have discussed, we have investors who are now genuine friends, and it's just what an amazing life it would be if we had 10 of those or 100 of those friends slash investors, not just from a business standpoint, but from how full and fun of a life we would have. So much, friends and things going on. So that's the journey that we're on, and I'm super excited. And this is just the next stepping stone on that journey.
Yeah, and to piggyback off that, we would love to have more investors there, and it seems as if we are, putting so much emphasis and attention on our, capital raising partners, capital allocators, and whatnot. We put a lot of equity into that bucket, if you will, but throwing money into this bucket now is certainly the next iteration, and it kind of gets to the point where it's infinite returns. If it's, X amount of cost to acquire the lead, and then we do maintain that and grow it, it's basically infinite returns after that, re-up of an investment. So the goal is to collect investors like this, to really focus on them, to give great service. Now, I always say this, we want to give a $50 million check writer and a $50,000 check writer a top-notch first flight experience that's very passionate for someone like myself to deliver that. So it starts with everyone here. So if you do know someone that might be interested in investing, of course, send our information to them, reach out. We would really appreciate it.